friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In the previous video, we have learnt about linked hash map. So what are the basic properties of linked hash map, how to declare a linked hash map, and how to add the elements inside the linked hash map. In this video, we are going to learn some of the important methods related to linked hash map. So here we have declared one linked hash map called fruits, and the type for key is string and the value is of type integer. And we have added the elements inside this linked hash map with the help of put method, which takes two arguments. First is of type string because key is of type string, right? And then we have another value here. So this is key value pair, and we are trying to print the linked hash map. We have got this output. First one is apple, then 100. Second is orange, but here the value is 70 because we have duplicated the key here with the updated value. So it takes the updated value. And then we have banana 30, and it also maintains the insertion order in which we have inserted the data. Now let's see some of the another methods here. So let's learn about the size method first. So size method is used to find how many items are present. So basically it will tell you how many records are present inside your linked hash map. So if I say fruits.size, so what is the size here? Currently there are 3 records, right? So it will print 3. See, we are getting 3. So this is how you can get the size of linked hash map. Another method is get method. So it is used to get the value associated with a specific key. Get method takes one argument and it takes the key as argument, and as per the key it will provide the value for that particular key. So let's say if I say here fruits dot, so let me first print fruits and then I will print here out fruits dot get. So this is a method get, right? And here you need to pass the key. Let's say I pass the key as orange. If I pass the key orange here, then what will be the output? The value for orange is 70 because we have updated here 70, right? If I run this code now, this is the entire linked hash map, and what is the value for orange? It is 70, so it's printing 70. So if you want to get the value from a key, then you can make use of get method. Another method is containsKey method. So this is used to check if a specific key exists in the linked hash map or not. So basically it will return a boolean result, true or false. So if I say here fruits dot contains, there is a method, right? containsKey, and here you need to pass the key. I will pass here orange. What will be the output in this case? Let's run this code. We are getting here false. Why we are getting here false? Orange is already present inside our linked hash map, but this is a case sensitive, right? Here O is uppercase and here O is lowercase. So there is no key present with uppercase O. So that's why we are returning here false. If I provide here with lowercase o, it will return us true. So if you want to check whether a particular key exists inside your linked hash map, you can make use of containsKey method. Similarly, there is a containsValue method to check if a value is present inside your linked hash map or not. Here I could see containsValue, and here you need to pass the value. If I pass here value 100, this value is present, right? If I run this code, this value is present, so we are getting a true. But if I provide another value here, let's say 150, this is not present in our linked hash map, so we are getting here false. Next method is remove method. So remove is used to remove the key value pair associated with a specific key. So remove method will also take a key and it will delete that particular record of that key. Let me show you that. Let me remove it. I will say fruits remove, and here you need to pass the key. Let's say I pass the key as apple, and then I print linked hash map again to check whether it has removed it or not. Let's run this code. So initially you could see it has printed the entire linked hash map with apple and value 100, but next time it has removed the apple, it has only printed orange and banana. So to remove a particular record, you need to pass the key of that record, and you can make use of remove method. Now the last method that we want to see is clear method. So clear method will remove all the items. So when you use the clear method, you don't need to pass any key because it will remove the all items. Before seeing the clear method, I want to show you one more method here. We remove this remove part. We comment this. Okay. So here we could see there is one more method called values. So what this will return, let's see that. If I run this code, so this is returning us all the values that are present in our linked hash map. So 100, 70 and 30, right? Because 80 is updated with 70 for the key orange. If I duplicate the value here, let's say for banana also I provide here 100. So what will be the output in this case? Let's run this code. So we are getting 100, 70 and 100 because 100 is present twice and duplicate values are allowed, right? So this values is used to return all the values that are present inside your linked hash map. And now the last method we want to see is the clear method. So what I will do, I will print the fruits twice. Initially it will print all the values and then I will remove all the values inside it with the help of clear method, and then we will print the fruits again. Let's run this code. See, now our linked hash map is empty because we have made use of clear method to remove all the items from the linked hash map. That's it in this video. In the next video we will see how to iterate over the linked hash map.